Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best H11 halogen is probably one of the most common headlight bulbs out there, and for good reason. They offer a great balance of brightness and affordability, making them a popular choice for many car owners. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of H11 halogen bulbs, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a top pick for your vehicle's lighting needs. Get ready to illuminate your knowledge. Number 5. SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Tired of dim lights? This bulb enhances down-road visibility without causing glare. It's designed to improve your driving experience. Headlights dim over time, so replace them in pairs. If one goes out, the other is likely to follow soon. Replacing them together ensures the best performance. These bulbs are built with a robust filament and a special gas mixture. This design ensures they are durable and provide optimal performance for your vehicle. These bulbs are designed and manufactured to improve your driving situation while providing maximum durability. It's built to last. Use the Amazon part finder to ensure the bulb fits your vehicle. Pay close attention to the position and notes to guarantee a perfect fit for your specific needs. This bulb is available in various sizes, including 9003, 9004, 9005, 9006, 9007, 9008 H13, H1, H3, H7, and H11. Check the compatibility to find the right one for your car. What we like. This bulb offers enhanced down-road visibility without added glare, ensuring a clearer view of the road ahead. Its robust design and durable construction mean it's built to last. If you prioritize seeing further down the road and need a reliable, long-lasting solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision halogen headlight bulbs really improved my nighttime driving. The light is bright and crisp, making it easier to see the road and stay safe in fog or rain. Installing them was simple, and they fit perfectly without any hassle. I also love that the pack comes with two bulbs, so you can upgrade both headlights at once. Overall, these bulbs give you better visibility and added confidence on the road. Use these in a 2013 Prius C. They work well, not quite the same color temperature as the OEMs though, they're a pretty cold white tone and give good visibility. Easy to install, bright, and a good value. Would definitely buy again. Number 4. Philips H11 Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulbs, 2-pack. These Philips Vision bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure because of their higher quality standards. At the end of their life, lamps project less light, reducing visibility. When changing a headlight bulb, it's best to change them in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam on the road. These bulbs provide significantly wider light to improve comfort and safety. You'll notice the difference immediately, enhancing your driving experience. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Always use gloves or a paper towel when handling it to avoid any issues. When using the Amazon part finder, be sure to confirm the position and notes provided. For some vehicles, it may fit some positions, but not all. The position and notes ensure exact fit. What we like. This bulb meets DOT requirements and offers a significantly wider light, improving both comfort and safety. Choosing this means you're getting a high-quality, reliable product. If you are looking for a standard replacement that prioritizes safety and quality, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked very well, fit and trim was perfect. These work great, and were quite simple to install. Fits perfectly, no faults after 1 month use. Number 3. Philips CrystalVision Platinum H11 Headlight Bulbs. Upgrade your car's look with these Philips CrystalVision Platinum headlight bulbs. They deliver a sharp, irresistible look with up to 4000 K white light. This will make your car stand out. See further and drive safer with up to 60% more vision. These bulbs enhance visibility, giving you greater comfort on the road. This helps you to see any potential hazards. These CrystalVision Platinum bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure. They are made with high-quality standards. Make sure these bulbs fit your car's high beam, low beam, or fog light positions. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the position in notes. This ensures an exact fit for your vehicle. Always replace headlight bulbs in pairs. This ensures a symmetric light beam and optimal visibility. When installing, avoid touching the glass, use gloves or a paper towel. What we like. This bulb delivers a sharp, stylish look with up to 60% more vision, enhancing your safety. It meets DOT requirements, ensuring quality and reliability. If you like a brighter, more stylish light and want to see farther, you should consider this one. What people say. They are bright and fit a 2016 Honda Pilot. When installing, remove the connector first and then twist the old bulb out. If you don't, you'll have a difficult time removing the bulb. Put the new bulb in and secure, then plug in the connector. This fit perfectly on my wife's 2014 Toyota Camry. The lights are a direct plug-and-play replacement bulbs. They are actually brighter than the stock bulbs. Great lights. Very clear color and both low and high beams provided very good distance. Number 2. Philips VisionPlus H11 Headlight Bulbs, Pack of 2. Are you a safety-conscious driver? Then these VisionPlus headlight bulbs are the perfect choice. They offer high performance and excellent value, making them the right choice for today's demanding drivers. See farther with Philips VisionPlus. These bulbs produce up to 60% more vision, enhancing your safety and comfort on the road. This allows you to see more clearly. These bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure. This is due to their higher quality standards. Use the Amazon Part Finder to ensure the bulbs fit your vehicle's position. Check the position and notes to guarantee an exact fit. They are available in various sizes to fit your needs. When one bulb fails, replace both. This ensures a symmetric light beam. Also, when installing the new bulbs, avoid touching the glass. Use gloves or a paper towel for handling. What we like. This bulb provides high performance and excellent value, offering up to 60% more vision for safer driving. It's a reliable choice for today's demanding drivers. If you are a safety-conscious driver looking for a high-performance upgrade without breaking the bank, you should consider this one. What people say. These ones look brighter and whiter than the original ones. Work perfect for my 2012 Hyundai Elantra Limited. Can't speak to lifespan yet as I've only had them for 2 weeks, but the brightness is perfect. Good quality of light or clarity and color. Number 1. SYLVANIA H11 SilverStar Halogen Headlight Bulb. Your lights are a pair, and they work together. If one goes out, the other is likely to follow soon. Replace them in pairs to keep them working at their best. This headlight creates a wider light, which helps you see more of the road ahead. This will improve your overall driving experience at night. The wider light improves clarity, making it easier to see objects. This enhanced contrast helps you see things on and beside the road more clearly. It has a special filament, a unique gas mixture, and a special coating. These features shift the color towards a wider light, ensuring optimal performance. SYLVANIA has been a leader in automotive lighting for over 100 years. They are trusted by original equipment manufacturers and the aftermarket. What we like. This bulb creates a wider light and enhances down-road visibility for added clarity during nighttime driving. The wider light improves contrast, making it easier to see objects. If you like a brighter, clearer view of the road and want to enhance your nighttime driving experience, you should consider this one. What people say. They are brighter and whiter than the OEM. These are as bright as the originals. The bulbs offer decent longevity, though they may not last as long as standard halogens. However, their brightness and performance make them a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to increase safety and visibility on the road. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.